Hello and welcome to another stitch tutorial from SandraStitches, and today we are going to be making the crossed cable stitch. Look how beautiful this stitch is, and it's very easy. It's just single crochet and double crochet, basic stitches, and it gives us such a beautiful texture. You can use this for blankets, you can use it for shawls, scarves, pillow covers, anything you want. For this sample I use a very thick yarn, so as you can see it gives a really nice texture, but you can of course use it with any weight yarn that your project requires. You will just have to of course adjust the hook size and maybe make a gauge swatch, but we are going to be learning how to make this stitch. So let's get started. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using a weight 4 yarn and my 5mm hook. We'll start with a slip knot, and the multiple for this stitch is 4 plus 3. So whatever the size of your project, you will have to count 4 multiples of 4 chains plus 3, and then work the length that you need or the width. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Let's make one more. 1 2 3 4, and then I will add 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so we have the foundation chain multiples of 4 plus 3. For the row number 1, it's a simple single crochet row. So we start in the second chain from the hook. We don't count the loop on the hook, so this is the first chain, this is the second chain. So insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. This is a single crochet, right? Make 1 single crochet in each and every chain across to the end of the chain. So you should have the number of chains that you made at the beginning minus 1. So let's see how many I have. I made 4 multiples of 4, so it's 16 plus 3, so it's 19. I should have 18. Let's count. If I remember that I made 4 multiples of 4, I did not count at the beginning, but this is how it works. So 1 single crochet in each chain. This is for row number 1. It's the foundation of the stitch, how you start your project. All right, and 1 in the last one. Let's count and see that I'm okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so I have 18. Now this is row number 1. For row number 2, we chain 1 and turn our work. I like to do it this way. I don't like to chain 3 for the first double crochet at the beginning of the row because it makes holes and I don't like it. So I chain 1 and I work 1 double crochet in the first stitch from the hook. So the chain 1 it's a turning chain. It does not count as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the first stitch from the hook. So I yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have my first double crochet here. Now we are going to skip one and work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So I skip the next stitch, and into the next I work 1 double crochet. And let me get some yarn. And 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So I have a total of 3 stitches with 1 double crochet on each. So we have the first double crochet, we skipped one, and we work 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. Now we want to get this cable kind of pattern, right? Kind of a technique. So we are going to go back and make 1 double crochet into the skipped stitch. So we go back, insert our hook into the stitch, the one that we skipped, pull the yarn and pull a little bit more so it comes to the height that we need. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. A normal double crochet. But because we skipped 3, so we get this cable kind of texture, kind of pattern. All right? Very simple. Now, this is the last one we worked, so we skip one and we double crochet 1 in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then we go back and double crochet 1 in the skipped stitch. Go back, pull up yarn, pull it a little bit more loose so it gets to the height, and pull through 2, pull through 2. And here we have again another cable. Skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next 3. This is how you are going to continue until the last cable that you can make, and you will have 1 stitch remaining. So now I go back to the skipped one and work 1 double crochet into that skipped stitch. Skip 1, skip the next, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, I need some more yarn, and 3, and now I go back to the skipped one. And as you can see, I have one stitch left, the last one. So I'm going to be working 1 double crochet in the last stitch. And this will mirror what we did in the beginning of the row. We started with 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and we finished with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. All right, so this is row number 2. Row number 3, we chain 1 and we turn our work. And this is a very simple row. We are going to be working 1 single crochet in each stitch. So the chain 1 that we did is just a turning chain, does not count as a stitch. So we work 1 single crochet in the first stitch from the hook and 1 single crochet across in each and every stitch. Now I think it's better at the beginning if you count your stitches every row at the beginning to see that you have the same amount of stitches across, so you make sure that you did not add any stitch or forgot any stitch, and then your project will be straight. Getting some more yarn. And this is it. This is a 2-row repeat. So we will finish the row number 3, which is a single crochet row, until the end. Last one. Now let's count and see how many. I should have 18, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 18. Chain 1, and now I will repeat row 2 and row 3. Again and again and again. So to repeat row 2, I chain 1 and I work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. I skip 1 and 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet in the skipped stitch. This is really a super simple skip 1, super simple cable, cross cable stitch that I think it's beautiful for any projects that you want to use it for. 1 double crochet in the skipped stitch. And this is it. You continue until the end of the row. Don't forget, the last one is a single double crochet, 1 double crochet in the last stitch, and then row number 3, which is a single crochet row, and you get this beautiful texture. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in our next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you. Bye bye.